In the distant future, when humanity had already mastered the cosmic expanses, a tragedy occurred that changed the course of history. Two galaxies, Alpha and Omega, collided with each other as a result of an unknown cosmic cataclysm. This collision led to catastrophic consequences for both galaxies. Billions of stars turned into supernovae, and planets were destroyed or thrown out of their systems. As a result of the collision, new stars and galaxies were formed. However, this was only the beginning. A few years after the collision, a new era in human history began. People began to explore new planets and stars that remained after the disaster. They discovered new life forms and technologies that helped them overcome difficulties and create a new civilization. But the story doesn't end there. People continued to explore space and find new worlds. They have created new ships and technologies to explore the far corners of the universe. This is how the story of the collision of galaxies ended, but it marked the beginning of a new era in the history of mankind, the era of space exploration.